Oh
my God, we almost said
For 3 days straight of shoveling. Maybe you. Oh!
Oh my God!
Hey! Who sent the vibes? Who sent them?
I have crazy eyes right now because what the heck?
Who sent them?
What the heck?
What's up? What's up, guys?
I have not
What's
seen
up?
a good miner in a long time. I'm not gonna lie.
All right.
Let's find another one, baby.
How about you just drop? Oh my God, the miner just went by.
Do it again. Double miners equals a green ball.
Bonus king strikes again, he says.
Hey, Buckeyes. Slap it in. Slap it in.
Oh,
Keep it
yeah.
going, keep it going, keep it going.
Oh, I gave it so many tickles.
Oh my goodness gracious. What a start. That's the first bonus of the night.
Goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
Let's go.
Take me to bed or leave me home forever. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na.
5 Hunsky.
Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Oh my god.
Drive was
$2.50 bet.
Thank you,
Okay,
David.
yeah.
Major just flew by and said,
Sad.
the Major went by and go,
Is that the noise a dolphin makes?
yes, it
Do you
does.
remember when you thought the dolphin in the bay was a crocodile? Not an alligator, a crocodile.
Come on, give me it. No, give me our first pearl. Pearl me. Pearl me, stop. Yes,
Ooh,
yes.
that's a couple
That's a
points.
touchy. Oh my God, Jade with $1.99. Andrea with a 999. Oh.
Dr. Pepper and rum. That's good.
Thank you so much for the super chats. Come on, drop
Stay.
that in there. Wow,
Treasure chest.
that's nothing.
Oh, dang.
It's a dream though. All right, we got 3 more to go.
Pearls.
Pearl.
Yes! That's $100!
100. We sent it a little too hard that time.
This is all, the volume's all the way up. This is a quiet one.
Don't worry, I'll give you a little side whack here. Come on, put it in there. Come on, coach.
Find the green one. Just do it. $25?
Word on the street is if you give me the green ball, I'll get a handbag. Come on. Yes, green ball.
12.
Wait, this.
Red ball.
Yeah, red ball's 27,000. You put that right in there right
Red
now.
ball.
Red ball.
Oh.
All right, so that one's worth a nice
150.
150. 150, and we got 2 more spins left, guys.
Oh,
So
yeah, I
we're.
forgot about that. Do it again. Pearl?
Oh, I thought it was coming. Ric Flair with the.
Rick!
Woo! How's it going?
That's a good pair. I like that one too.
Oh my God.
If you ever hit the grand, would you scream out loud, Jesse? Yes.
The whole casino would know.
Yes.
1, 2 more. Don't stop believing. This is fucking huge.
Find that green ball.
125, 12. Oh, let's go, team.
Hey, you didn't need a spreadsheet.
I don't need a spreadsheet for this one. Come on.
Green ball.
What do you got, Nate, for me? That's a $12. Come on, let's go. Oh, yeah, you like this? I'm going to give you the little...
We gotta put one here. We gotta complete the,
All right, guys.
picture.
I need this to think about its life, and then I'm going to come in just like this. Put it in. No!
This is so much fun. I agree.
Woo!
What in the heck?
We're heating up, guys. Here we go. Well, let's just see what this is worth. This is a print the ticket
The
moment.
Unicow was just captured.
Gonna capture the Unicow.
Oh.
Should we just go creepishly watch them? Pamela Brown with the $5. Let's go. Very nice, very nice.
Okay, if you get a hand pail, address it. Hey, Nico.
Welcome.
Welcome.
2.
Oh! Wow! Ooh, look at that on your big screen TVs.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Oh, that's a good start. Let's get some words, guys.
Ooh, hey. The words are just teasing, tickling it. Oh.
Right?
Like 3 minis. Oh,
Oh.
mini. Speak of mini. Okay.
There we go.
Dancing's on point tonight. All right, Pearls, dance in there.
Nice.
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 Something other than a 10. No.
Those
20.
Are, yeah, those are 20s.
2 cent.
Last spin.
Oh, find it. Cool. Is the mini? Yeah, the mini's 22.
Yep.
20 as well, I should say.
So a nice 20x win there for 210.
Mermaids.
Very nice.
Swim to the bottom of the ocean. Pull you out of your oysters.
Yes.
Okay. That's it. Give it a
So
little
here's
story.
the. So that's going to be
That's
1530.
37.
It's 167 start.
Nice.
Come on, words.
Yes. Bring more words.
Green's in there.
Green ball. No, that's
Green
not
was in.
ball.
The green's in play. I seen it. Come on, green ball, come back.
Words. Oh, there's another mini flying too.
Sure. Nice.
Oh my gosh.
One step at
We're
a
stacking
time.
them. Oh, that's a good one.
There we go.
Find it. Oh,
Not
not
bad.
bad. 237.50. That's a very random number.
Right?
Your math was spot on there.
257.
Woo!
There you go.
Nico's got it. Fast math.
Fast math.
Quick math. Anybody have to do math facts in a flash growing up? Those were scary to me.
Alright, we'll drop it down to $5. So we're getting some bonuses on the 10, the 750. Some good action.
Yeah, really good action.
We got 400 of in here. Who can help us get some likes for these nice big bets we're doing?
You caught us live. Welcome.
Liking the video helps push this out to others.
Yeah, if you don't know how to like, just exit the live chat and then you can see a thumbs up. You know, so share us with your friends. Send us to your mom.
Yeah, send us.
I sent the live to your mom in a text.
I know. I've seen that.
And I think she texted just like, what is that?
Is it
I just
spam?
sent her a live.
Is it spam?
A link. She's like, is this like something I open it and there's a virus? No.
Dude. Ah. Alright, we'll jump back to the, we'll do the 1 cent. Do some $5 bets here.
Dolphins, where are you? Oh my god, Neil. That's so dark humor. Oh goodness.
Three. Oh.
Sammy, it was so fun to go back and watch the little hand paint. Yes. I know, that was crazy. That was live.
Yes.
That was on a live, and then it's nice that we got it on video so we can rewatch it over and over.
That was special. 3.
Oh, that would have been a tasty one. Yeah, if you haven't watched that video, we posted it Tonight, oh my gosh, can't remember, a couple hours ago.
What?
Don't remember the exact time you posted the one tonight, but
Oh, yeah.
the moolah bonus. So don't forget to watch that. That one is a good one. I know, that's right, Hayes. Moolah was wild. There was over 11,000 people in the chat.
Yes.
It was the most insanity thing ever. Bailey, what made us want to start recording? You watch us all the time. Don't think I ever heard what made you guys do this? Oh, that's a good question.
I think it's more that it started becoming available. One more, come on.
Oh, what the heck?
So, areas started to kind of like allow it, I would say. And I mean, it's not like I just picked it up gambling yesterday. Like, it's always
been record bonuses that were really cool.
Do it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ooh,
Wow.
Oh,
Jacks are there.
And then we just thought, you know what? Let's just like share our fun with people.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was huge.
Put that ball back in there.
Pearl.
Ah.
Oh, I thought it was gonna stop. I almost screamed.
Nice. Treasure.
There we go.
We're at $97 so far. Nice.
Oh,
Come on, do it.
Treasure.
146.
Wow.
What else you got in store for us? Tens? And a dream for 161. It's taken some time to wipe all of our debt, right? There's a nice hit.
And the nines.
And what's this worth, you think?
80.
120.
Okay.
Oh.
My God, we almost hit Did you count how many zeros are on that? Can we count for the class? Turn it around. We're gonna count for the class.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4. No, there's only
Hey! Hey! Let's go!
It's only the 1 cent, so it's 500, not 5,000. But holy moly! What the
Ooh-woo!
heck?
Pyro in the chat with the ooh-woo.
And a 15!
Just drop the green one.
Yeah, keep it going.
Don't be shy.
Did you just quick tap that in?
Yes.
I wasn't even paying attention, then I was like, look at all those minis. So fun.
One more spin.
Find it. Anything. Ooh, wow. I don't think I've ever seen a $500 ball on a 1 cent beat 'em on this game. I know they exist.
Jeff's like, I think that's 50,000.
Oh, Jeff, I wish.
This is the 1 cent, guys.
Can I tell it where to put the comma?
Yeah. Can we tell it to where to put the comma?
Oh my goodness, could you imagine?
Carly, this is a print the ticket moment.
Oh, it is a print the ticket moment. Right? Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun,
Too much money
dun.
in the machine. Oh my God, I can't even. I almost fell off my chair again there. Yeah, 500 on the 1 cent is cool.